TR, and today I have a new video for you guys. Happy 2019 everyone! I know it's been a while since I have filmed and uploaded a video, but life happened and I'm gonna try to upload more videos this 2019. I'm not sure of the schedule yet, but I'm gonna try to do my best to do that. But for now, I'm really excited to open this. I haven't opened it yet, but this is my order from the Hobonichi store from Japan. And I live in the Philippines, so if you want to know how I purchased these things and how it arrived in the Philippines, I'm going to talk about that. Just a disclaimer, this order is not all mine. I have two other planner friends who live in the same city as me who purchased it with me. So it's a consolidated order, and I'm still going to be able to show you guys what they bought because I asked them if I could show them on video. So yeah, so that's what is in there, and let's begin. Okay, so if you want to purchase Hobonichi, and if you live in the Philippines, you could go to their website. Actually, wherever you are in the world, you could go to their website, which I'm going to link down below, purchase it straight from there, and they ship internationally. The way I'm going to explain the shipping right now is if you live in the Philippines. This is what happened to my order, and I do highly recommend purchasing from the website because it's really easy and really simple to do that. So I have a timeline here. I purchased the items in January 9th. I didn't purchase it in December because I know that usually packages will arrive late. So I instead opted to purchase the items after the holidays. So I purchased in January 9th and it shipped in January 12th. It arrived in Manila, which is the capital of the Philippines, in January 14th. And it arrived in my island, which is separate from Manila, in January 17th, which is today, and I got a text from a postman that I have a package that I could pick up from the post office, and since I live in the city, I went there this afternoon and got this package. So all in all, from the day that I purchased the items through the website, I got it within 8 days, and I'm pretty sure it arrived in my post office maybe yesterday or so. So yeah, from the shipping, it arrived with just 5 days. So that's really great for me since I didn't have to wait that long to get the items. So that's how I purchased it, and that's how long the shipping is. And if you're wondering how much the shipping is for everything in here, it cost me 3,000 yen, Japanese yen, for the shipping plus 500 yen for handling, I think. They have it itemized in their website. If you want to check the prices for each item, it's also there. Just convert it with your currency if you wanted to check that out. Alright, so let's begin and open this because I'm really excited. Okay, so the box came wrapped in this white paper that has the Hobonichi logo, or name rather, and then that's their website. And I have my address at the back, and I've already taken that out. And it opens up like a paper bag, and the box, oh, there it is! I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm going to take it out and show it to you guys. This is how the box looks like. It's orange and it is their 20th anniversary box. It looks like this. It says Hobonichi Techo, which is 2019, and then this is the side of the box. I just wanted to show you guys how the box looks like because I am such a fan of really good packaging for companies, and I love Hobonichi's packaging. Alright, so let's open it up. It doesn't have tape or anything. And it opens up like that. And look at that. There's a quote right there. It says, "Don't ever lose hope. It's far too important. You know how a pinch of salt changes the whole flavor of a dish. Your hope is that salt." And that is a pretty nice quote to start the year. So that's how it looks like. And when you open it up, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. And it opens up like that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, so I adjusted the camera so you could see it better. And these are the cover and cover for weeks. I got one for myself, and then my friend also got one for her. And this is how they look like. And if you want to see the items in detail, let me know. I could make another video for that. But that's the first thing that's on the box. And then I also purchased COCs for the weeks, which are clear. So I got 2 of those. Or I think I got 3 of these. Let's see. And then this is my cover for my A6. I purchased an A6 and this is the Very Berry cover. And the reason why I got this is I fell in love with the red color. I wanted to get the black or a different one with a different design, but I told myself I'm just going to get that whenever I purchase new covers in the middle of the year. So I got this one. This is the Very Berry. And it looks so cool. I'm going to open that later. And then I think I purchased, since these are now on sale, I think, in the website, it's only 108 yen for each of these. So I purchased 10 of the A6 on cover, which is clear. And that's how it looks like. I purchased 10 of those. And these are the accessories, which I might actually put this right here, and I'm going to open that later. And let's see what's... Oh, here are the books, you guys. So these are the accessories, and I'm going to try and open these. Not all of these are mine, but let's check them out. These are the photo albums, which can fit the A6 book. I'm not going to open this one because this is my friend's order, but this is how it looks like. I think this will fit a 4x6 photo. So that's that. And then I got the A6 pencil board, which is last year's pencil board, which is brown. And then I also got the 2019 pencil board for the A6, which is this blue one with the yellow tab on top. And then I also got one of the weeks, which is the new one, which is the blue, and one is for my friend. And here are the books, which I'm so excited. Not all of these are mine, but each book will have a free pen. The weeks will have a free pen with it. This is the design for 2019, which is pink and white. And for the Hobonichi A6, you get a pen and a paperweight, which is this bear, which I could show you later. But I ordered a total of 5 books, and I'm going to share that with you guys. So this is the week's regular, and this is the Strawberry Latte, I think is the name of the book. Links in the website down below. But this is an order from my friend, so I'm not going to open it. And this is the week's regular. And my other friend purchased a week's mega. And the mega has more notes at the back. So here you go. So the week's mega is definitely thicker than the week's regular, since this has more notes pages at the end, but it also has the same pages as the week's regular and the week's mega. So if you're wondering how thick it is compared to the week's regular, that's how it looks like. And each book will have a free pen on there. So these are for my friends. So the book I purchased for this year for my journal is the Hobonichi Original AVAC, which consists of 2 books. One for 6 months, first 6 months of the year, and the next is another 6 months. And this came with the cover that I have here, which is Very Berry, and I'm excited to put this together in a different video. And it came with a pen and the paperweight, and I'm so excited to have that with me. And I also purchased another book for my art journaling. So this one is going to be for my personal journaling every day, and this one will be for art journaling, which I will be sharing with you guys. So I'm going to open these things in a different video. This is just an unboxing if you're wondering. And this other one is for my friend. This did not come with a cover. It's just the 2 books right here. So it also came with a free pen and paperweight. Alright, so you guys, that is the unboxing of my Hobonichi order. If you want to see the items in detail, I'm going to post another haul video talking about each item, which will be uploaded soon. I just wanted to check what's inside the box, and I couldn't wait to open it up. And it's really late at night right now, so I can't really open everything and show you guys, but I will in another video, I promise. So that's that, and these are all the things that we got, me and my friends got, and we are so excited to start our year with the Hobonichi. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Click the thumbs up if you like the video, and if you want to see more from my channel, click the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, click the bell beside the subscription button. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Happy planning! Bye!